All things bright and beautiful meet in Brighton. And for international students around the world, life at the IQ Sawmills student accommodation is brighter still. Make way for a cozy abode. Softly designed studio apartments and ensuite spaces offer a tender billowy bed beside a private study area with an adorable stack of chest drawers. Gently lit overhead shelves are suspended from an intimate recess above the desk that gazes upon a casement window doting the room with its picturesque view. The glistening fixtures of the bathroom sparkle in mirrors and pristine glass-walled baths. And to top it all off, you can be sure to make any guest feel welcome with your modular kitchen, complete with an oven, chimney, microwave, and fridge, perfect for hosting small festive brunches. If lavender is the color of relaxation, then the social lounge and its wide television are all you need to savor every moment. The University of Brighton and Kings Brighton students often flock to London Road train station and take a myriad of buses along Lowes Road. Shopping for groceries can be an aerobic activity at nearby Sainsbury's, while chilled brews at the Gladstone or the Bear Inn provide a welcome respite for frazzled nerves. A weekend lunch at Binta's Cuisine is like being transported into an African fairy tale with fragrant rice and kebabs, topped off by a delectable chocolate pie from Bill's Brighton. This is the essence of IQ Sawmills student housing. It's as exciting as a full English breakfast and as satisfying as a delicious plum pudding on Christmas Day. Reserve your spot for this heaven of joy, only at amberstudent.com.